Hi there, my name is Michelle Cederberg and I'm a health and productivity expert, speaker, coach, and author. Thrilled to be presenting the FSI One Voice Advancing Women in Leadership workshop before your convention on January 27th. I'm coming at you with Energized for Excellence, how to break through busy to decrease stress and drive success. And we're going to be looking at where your day-to-day energy is being drained and invested and how you can plug those leaks. We're going to explore how to set better goals that drive higher growth and more productivity. I'm going to help you identify the distractions and time wasters that take up your day and help you take control of your power hours. And we're going to look at ways to stay energized physically, mentally, emotionally, cognitively, so you can be the best in leadership and in life. I guarantee a lot of laughs and learning. There may be books, and there's going to be a lot of fun. And before I get to meet you all in person January 27th, I want you to think about what one or two ways do you want to grow your excellence in 2025 and beyond? Because we're going to tap into those ideas and help you get more of the things that you want to be a better leader, to be a better person, to have more fun and energy in all you do. See you on January 27th.